Presenting the 2008 Volkswagen Passat Komfort. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are digital temperature reading, power brakes, tachometer, dual sport mirrors, child protection lock, front bucket seats, power sunroof, and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.